Welcome to Lead School. Chapter 8, The Hack Driver, NCERT 10th English. The hack driver, a young lawyer, comes to a village, serve a sermon of Oliver Lutkin. A friendly back driver takes him around the village in a search of the Lutkin. Does he find him? Who is Lutkin? Such type of the question answer we will find in this the lesson. Let's see first paragraph. After gra- graduating with the honor, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. After graduating with the honor, and he became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare the legal briefs. I was sent not to prepare legal brief. He was not to prepare legal brief, but he was sent for that the searching such a type of the criminals. But to the serve the Simmons like that the cheap private detective, like that the he want to go for that serve the sermons like the chief of the private detective. I had to go to the dirty and the shadows corners of the city to seek out my the victims. He want to go to find to search of the dirty shadows corners of the city, seek out of the victim. Some of the large and the more self-confident ones even beat me up, and then such type of the peoples are more large, and hence they have a more self-confident, and even though they also beat to him. I hated this unpleasant work. He hated that the unpleasant work and the side of the city life it the revealed to me. I even considered a Phoenix to me my the hometown, then where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this the unpleasant training period. Then one day he went his the hometown to find at the Simmons. Then he had could been real lawyer right away without going through this the unpleasant training period. So I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country. One day they sent me at a 40 mile end of that the country. Then to a town called a New Million. That the town name is a New Million. To serve the sermon on a man called the Oliver Lutkin. He want to serve that the sermon on is the name of the Oliver Lutkin. We needed this man as a witness in a law case. That person he need as a witness of the law case, and he had ignored all over letters, and he already ignored many more letter that sent by the court. When I got to New Million, my eager expectation of a sweet and simple country village were the severely disappointed. When I got to New Millions, and my eager expectation of the sweet and simple country village were the severely disappointed. He accepted that is a sweet and very beautiful village. It is looking like that, but when he reached it on that time he disappointed. It's the street where the river of the mud. Why he disappointed? Because there were the no, condition of that the village, it is a not good, it's a totally bad. Like this he give the one example, river of the mud, that is the way of that the it has become very mud, with the rows of the wooden shops. There were some shops are there, and that the shop's color is a vanished it. Then and some wooden are shops that either painted of the sword brown or the bare of the any paint at all. That the painted some shops are there, but it is the bare of the any point of that paint at all. The only the agreeable sight about the place was the delivered man at the station. He was about 40, then red faced and cheerful, and think about the middle. This the work he's working a cloth where the dirty and well warm, and he had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked the people. When he reached on that station, then he met one person. It's the age of that near about the 40. Then the red faced and cheerful manner. Then think about in that the middle. He worked a clothes were of dirty. His clothes were the dirty and the well warm. Then they had a friendly manner. He had a friendly manner. He felt at the once that he liked the people. Uh, he felt like that he liked that the people. Then I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkin. He told him I want to Oliver Lutkin, and that purpose I came here to find out the person. Lutkin, I saw him around here about an hour ago. Lutkin, I saw him around here about an hour ago. Hard fellows to catch through. It is a hard fellow to catch through. Always up to something or other. He is probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of the fridge shop. He probably trying to the start that the poker game in that back of the fridge shop. That is a fridge shop. It is a place. I shall tell you. Boy, is there any hurry about the locating Lutkins? Then, yes, I want to catch the afternoon. I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and the secret about it. I want to catch him afternoon train back to the city. I was very important to the secret about it, he said to him. I shall tell you what. I have got a hack. I shall get it out and we can drive around together and find the Lutkin. I shall tell you what. I have got a hack. I shall get it out and we can drive around together and find a Lutkin. We shall get together around together and find a Lutkin. Then I know most of the places he hangs out. He know most of places where he found it. Then he was so open and friendly that I agreed with the warmth of his the affection. He was so open and friendly person that I glowed to with the warmth and with the affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted a business, but his kindness was a real. I know he want to business his himself, but he is a very kind person. It is a reality. I was glad of the fair money would go to these the good fellows. I was glad a fare of the money would go to this the good fellows. I managed a bargain down to $2 an hour. Then he bargaining with that the $2 per hour. Then he brought from his the house nearby a sort of the large black box on wheels. There he brought out that the larger black of the box of the wheels, that is the bullock cart. Then he remarked, well, young man, here is the carriage. Then he said, here is a carriage, and you sit here. And his wide smile made me into the old friend. Then he smiled with him, and it is a like a old friend. These the villagers are so ready to help a stranger. It is a villager to ready to help that the stranger. He had already made it his the own and a task to find the Oliver Lutkins for me. That most of time villagers it's a helped a stranger. Then he tried to already own the task find to Oliver Lutkin for me. He said, I don't want to the interfere, younger fellows, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from the Lutkin. He asked to him, and he said, I don't mind, and it is not interfere. Just I want to ask about a Lutkin. If you he want to take some money from you, he never pays. anybody's a cent. He never paid anyone cent, and he still owes me a 50 cent on the poker game. I was a fool. Then he just take my 50 cent at the poker game, and he was a fool enough to pay with him. Enough to pay with him. He's not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money. He was not a bad, but it's the hard to make him with a part of the money. Then, if you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, and he shall be a suspicious and get away from you. If you try to collect your money from him, then in this type of the fancy clothes, and he shall be the suspicious and get away from you. If you want to if you want, I shall go into the fridge and ask for him, and you can keep out of sight of behind me. You just don't try to find him. Just I will go first, and I ask, and after that you come on behind me, and I love him for this. Then right, he lawyer say, I love him for like this. By myself I might never have found the Letkin. Then with the hack of the driver knowing help, I was sure to getting my man. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the sermon of the Letkin. Then that is the man had refused to be the witness. I love him for this type of the character and this type of the behavior, but myself I might never have found the Latkin. It's alone it not be possible to find that the Latkin, but this hack driver knowing help. That hack driver give the help to me. I was sure to getting my the man. Then I took him into my confidence. Then I get that my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the salmon of the Latkin. Then he just want to serve that the salmon of the Latkin that the man had refused to be the witness. When his the information would have the quickly settled our case. That is the information, enough information he has, and we want to set that the case. Then the driver listened earnestly. Then at the end, he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. At the end of that, the point he just hit on my shoulder and laughed it loud. Well, he will give the bother and Lutkin a little surprise. He just said, well, it is a Lutkin will be little surprise. Let's start drive. Let's start drive. Most folk around here call me Bill or the Magnuson. Most of people call me Bill and the Magnuson. My business is called the William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. My business is called the William Magnuson Fancy Carting and the Hacking. All right, Bill. Shall we proceed to freeze? Then he said, all right, shall we proceed to freeze? Yes, Lutkin is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Lutkin just is as likely to be there as anywhere. Plays a lot of poker. It is a plays a lot of poker. He's good at the deceiving people. Bill seemed to admire Lutkin latent talent for the dishonesty. Then Bill seemed to admire a Lutkin talent for the dishonesty. I felt that if he had been the policeman, he would have the caught of the Lutkin respectfully and the jailed him with regret. Bill led me into the fridge. Have you seen Oliver Lutkin around today? Friend, you of his looking for him, said the Bill cheerily. Bell, let me know in the fridge. Have you seen Oliver Lutkin around today? Friends, of you is looking for him, said Bill the cheerily. Prince looked at me, heading the behind Bill. Freeze looked at me, hiding behind Bill, and he hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. He said, yes, he was here a little while ago. Guess he's gone over to Gestop to get that save. He said, I think that he has gone over to Gus Gustav to get that the same. Well, if he come in, tell him I am looking for him. If he came here, then you tell to him I am looking for him. We drove to the Gustav. Then Barg stopped. Again Bill went in the first, and I light lingered at the door. Then again Bill went in the first, and then I lingered at the door. He asked not only the sweat but two customers if they had seen Lutkin. He asked to customer if they had to Lutkin. Then the sweat had not. He said angrily I haven't seen him and don't care to. Then he said, I haven't seen him and don't care about to him. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. Then he said, if you find to him, then you just collect the $35 owes me. One of that customer thought he had seen the Latkin walking down Main Street, this side of that hotel. One person said, I found that the Latkin is walking towards of the Main Street and side of that the hotel. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that the since Lutkin. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that the since Lutkin had existed his credit at the good stuff. He had probably gone to the graves for the same. Then at the graves of the barber shop, we missed a Lutkin by only 5 minutes. One person said, it is I saw in that the barber shop is a 5 minutes. He had just left it, probably for the pool room. Then after that, probably it should be he go to towards of the pool room. At the pool room, it appeared that he had just brought a pack of the cigarette and gone out. I think that it is a pool room, then appeared that he had just brought a pack of the cigarette and gone out. So we pursued him just behind him, but never catching him. Just we pursue him behind him, but we not be get the success to catch him for an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. It is the 1 hour till it is going to the past 1 o'clock. I was hungry, but I had so enjoyed the Bill's rough country opinion about his the neighbor that I scarcely cared whether I found a Lutkin or not. I become very hungry, but I enjoyed Bill's rough country, and then never that had a scarcely craved whether I found a Lutkin or not. He think about it. I really we get that success to found that the Lutkin or not. How? How about something to eat? I suggested. I think that how we want to eat something. I suggest let's go to the restaurant and I shall buy you lunch. He suggests I shall go to that restaurant and I also buy to you lunch. Well, I ought to go home to the wife. Then the driver said, yes, but I want to go home at the wife. I don't care much for these the restaurant. Only four of them and they are all bad. Then tell you what we shall do. We shall get the wife to pack up lunch for us and then she won't charge you more than $50. Then and it would cost of more for the greasy meal in the restaurant. And we shall go up to Wed's Hill and enjoy the views while we eat. Then, according to suggestion of the driver, he said, we want to visit a house. My wife's prepare the food. Then, only for them that they are the bad, all that bad, that you want that we shall do. We shall get that wife to pack up the lunch for us. She will be pack lunch for us, and she won't charge you more than the half a dollar. Then as per compare that hotel, we just charge of dollar, and would do the cost of the more of the greasy meal in the restaurant, and as compared to that the restaurant it is the half charge. And we shall go to the West Hills and enjoy the views while we eat it. I think that you enjoy more this video. It is a very interesting story of that the hack driver. Thank you very much watching this video.